I'm going to be introducing one of our fourth-year graduate nursing students to you today. She wants to present her academic level research project.
Postpartum depression has many symptoms, and I think it's important for moms to know that they have assistance out there, what Aruba does for mothers who are struggling with postpartum depression. My thesis, what motivated me to do my thesis is because I'm also a mom of two. When I was struggling, I didn't know where to go or who to ask for assistance. So that's what motivated me. My school gave me the privilege to go out, conduct interviews with everyone, and allowed me to learn a lot more about Aruba. One thing I wanted to talk about also is my experience from Stavik Ouderskap, who's run by Miss Marilla. This is within the Whittier Lacrosse. They do such really good job, and if you need help with postpartum depression, if you're feeling overwhelmed, having difficulties bonding with your child, it's important to talk about it. It's important to shed light on the subject because it's you need help, and we're there to help you. Don't use the stigma. Let's get rid of the stigma and let you know that you have assistance by Respaldo, Stavik Ouderskap, Junto. You have all the assistance that you need. So if you need any help with postpartum depression, moms, please speak up. We conduct classes 3 times a year. You'll learn all about that from the Pop Poly in Respaldo.